Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. Under the hood we have a 2.7 liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. And over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks. This 2019 Ford F-150 also comes with a remote start and remote keyless entry. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features including power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer into the cabin you will see our gray cloth seating. Over at the steering column we will have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and at the right we have our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you'll see we have many options available, such as Bluetooth connection, Sirius XM, 911 assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, FORDPASS Connect, and voice control. Below we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, gear shift, and tons of storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.